Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Now we are going to start our today's lecture. As you know that today we have a very good weather in Hyderabad. So I thought that there should be something special for you in today's lecture. So I selected a good topic for you people and I hope that you will enjoy it. तो इस प्यारे से मौसम में एक प्यारा सा एक प्यारा सा लेक्चर आपके लिए मौजूद है. And the topic of today's lecture is writing from photograph. So, my dear students, we are now going forward. Before telling you writing from photographs, simply here your task is to write something, to write with the help of photographs. I will show you some photographs and then you will select any one photo and then you will explain your feelings. I will ask you some questions that try to give the answer of this question, and then you will be able to write something. So open your minds and be alert because now this thing is related with your art and with your creativity. So now we are moving forward, and I hope that you are going to see some good photos that are from natural scenery. So now let's start. It's the picture number one, where you have waterfall from green hills are from the greenery, and where we can see a boat that is driven by a man, and two birds are also there, and perhaps this is a hut. Okay, so you have to see this picture. uh, it's in zoom condition, that's why it is not absolutely clear, but the things are clear to you that you can idealize who is here. Okay, now we are moving forward towards the next picture. Yes, you can see here that we have a sun, and okay, now it's up to you. What do you think? It's a sun setting or sun rising scene where you have flowers. फ्लावर्स की फ्रेशनेस बताती है कि इट्स अ सन राइजिंग सीनरी. ओके, sun is rising. We have some clouds that are also yellowish and orange in color because of this scene. And here we have sunflowers. So this is the second picture. Okay, look at the pictures carefully because you have to select your favorite picture and then you have to write about these pictures. Okay, so now we are moving towards the next picture. Yeah, it is interesting picture, and you may think that it's not natural, but it is from a natural scenery, and you have to attach your heart with this scene and with this picture. Now imagine yourself that you are at this place. You are looking all these things, and they all these things are in front of your eyes. So how will you feel? कैसा लगेगा आपको उस वक्त? You have to attach yourself with every picture. Now the next picture. I'm going back. This is the first picture. second, third, and fourth. Okay, again look at these pictures and select your own picture that I like this one and I may be able, I may write something in this picture. So please select your favorite picture. Now I'm going towards the questions. That's what you have to do by looking these pictures. When you will select your picture, so you have to answer a few questions at first. The first thing is, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Take it. Ask this question to yourself. Which season is it? What can you expect from the scenery? That which season it may be. Okay, every picture may not help you to idealize the season, but you have to think about it. And how can you tell if you're saying that this is this season? So there must be another question, that how can you tell about the season? Did you notice the way the light is shining? Did you notice the way the light is shining? Do you see any special reflections? Do you see any special reflections? Here you can see reflections. Do you see any special reflections? And if so, describe them. Okay. And the next question is that, imagine you were present at the time. My dear students, you can take a snapshots of these questions. You may write these questions in your notebooks, because when you will start your writing, so you have to answer, you have to think about these questions. So please, you must write it, or you must take snapshots of these slides. Okay, imagine you were present at the time this photograph was taken. Complete the similes. Okay, and you have to complete the similes as well. The air smells like. जब आप imagine करेंगे कि you were there at that time, तो आपको imagination में ये भी एक और imagine करना है कि the air smells like, कि यहाँ की जो हवा है वो इस तरह आती है जैसे, and the wind rustles through the leaves like here you can see leaves, the wind is there. Okay, use your other senses to describe how and what you feel. So at this time, when you should start to write your about your photograph, so you have to use your sensory details. Means you have to tell the readers that how does it look, how do you like, how do you feel it, how do you touch it, किसको टच करने पे कैसा लगा, इसको स्मेल, इसकी स्मेल कैसी लगी आपको, और ये आपको आंखों से कैसा लगा. ठीक है, you have to give some descriptions of your senses. It may be a difficult task, but it is interesting as well, because this type of writing is called descriptive writing, where you are using your sensory information, your sensory details to describe something. Now, the next questions are, what does the photograph make you feel like doing? What does the photograph make you feel like doing? Does it inspire any emotions in you? Does it inspire any emotions in you? If so, describe the emotions. Do you have any other thoughts about the photograph? Now all these photographs are meaningful for you. You may ask all these questions to your chosen picture. So please select your picture and ask such questions to you. You have a time to write, get ready for writing, get ready. Suddenly you cannot write. First of all, you have to do pre-write. First of all, you have to think. You have to ask these questions, select your picture, then ask these questions to yourself that one by one, try to give the answers. And after writing the answers, you have to assemble them in the form of a paragraph. You have a lot of time now, so please get ready for your task. Again, I'm repeating the questions that what do you see in the picture? Which season is it? If you know the season, so how can you tell about the season? Did you notice the way the light is shining? Do you see any special reflections? If so, please describe them. And imagine that you are present at the time of this picture taken, and when you are present, so you have to complete the similes. Okay, and how does the paragraph make you feel like doing? And does it inspire? This picture inspire any emotions in you? If so, you have to describe your emotions. And do you have any other thought about the photograph? So please start your task. Now the room for question and answers is open.